Here we go again with the moving series.
It's the fact that I'm sitting on a heated toilet seat right now.
Being able to tell the Uber, can you turn into the roundabout, please?
I'm sad. I don't want you to leave.
This is not good for my face.
This place is 6 bedrooms and has a private rooftop deck.
Good morning. I was gonna say moving day, but my house is not packed up. But today I get the keys to my new apartment. I have to go meet with the owner at the new place at 9:30 to go pick up the keys.
East and the west, racking up on my bread, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla, too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt, girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her.
Good morning! Oh, this is gonna be one of the last times waking up and just feeling the sun beam into my face. I'm genuinely so sad. This new apartment that I'm gonna be in is very nice. Like, if anything, it's nicer than this apartment. Just this apartment was the first time I've ever felt at home and like really loved my place, and I put a lot of time and effort into it, so I'm just really sad to be leaving it. Prepare yourself for the sappiness of these next couple vlogs. And I feel like this place just signified so much in my life. Like, ideally, in an ideal world, I would never leave this place. Like, I'm actually gonna cry. I have this wall of manifestations. Whatever is taped on this wall is, and it's just a bunch of things that one day I really hope to accomplish, which is, 5 million subscribers, being active with my life, traveling, doing art, going to sports games, my clothing line, having a store, shop link double up. Like, when I was just a kid, I envisioned my life and I was like, I want 2 million subscribers. Like, that was always my goal. It's just like, I do this every single year, and every single year I see everything happen that I always dreamed of.
I am 4 subscribers away from 2,000, so that's pretty exciting.
My new jewelry line just dropped. You guys can shop it down in the link below.
Currently, we're headed into the warehouse that all of my Alchemy stuff gets shipped out of. Teamwork. All right, now you grab the next one.
If you guys don't know, I have a clothing line. It's called Alchemy. I am Crocs' biggest fan. I literally put pictures of an apartment with a bunch of fucking windows. Now I'm living in this apartment before I even realized what my life was gonna be this year. That's so insane to me. Very grateful to be living this life is basically how I want to say it, and I love you so much. I'm in a very sad mood today, but in the best way possible. I'm very mellow. Like, literally everything that I keep thinking about right now is, oh my god, this is my dream life, this is my dream life, this is my dream life, this is my dream life. Because I feel like I kind of lost sense of it for a little bit. Sometimes you need some grounding. Usually people say like, oh, my family grounds me or something, which I'm gonna see my family soon. But the fact that I dream of me being in somebody else's body, it was so trippy, y'all. I literally looked in the mirror and it wasn't me, and I was just like, fuck, I actually really just died. I'm just walking around the neighborhood that I walk around every single day, and it's just in the back of my head, I'm like, oh, this is gonna be one of the last times that I wake up in the morning and just walk the dogs. Because the new place thankfully has basically a backyard on the private rooftop. Yes, my apartment literally has a private rooftop with a backyard garden on it, which is insane. And I'm just walking around and oh, I really do love this place. It's Thanksgiving right now, and I totally forgot. I went downstairs and Orlando, and the doorman was like, happy Thanksgiving, and I was like, oh shit, I didn't even realize because yeah, American holidays. So I'm gonna get them bacon and cheese. Because it's Thanksgiving and they're working. Thank you.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. We have secured 3 bacon and cheese. I genuinely love that I'm daily vlogging, because that means that I post 3 times a week, and yes, that is a lot, but it's not enough for me to talk and say what's on my mind, which maybe I should start a podcast. But the fact that I'm daily vlogging every day, I'm like, wait, I can make a 20-minute vlog of me talking about nonsense, because it's just a daily vlog. People aren't anticipating this like that. It's every single day I can talk about my life, and people aren't gonna be like, well, that was a waste of a video, I think the thing that I'm gonna miss the most is all of the sunlight that beams in here in the morning. And also, I'm just gonna miss being able to talk to people in this building. I know you're probably what do you mean? One of the people that I literally hang out with almost every single day lives in this building, and it's just so nice to be able to be like, oh, I'm coming down, and it's only 10 floors down, and the next thing you know, we're hanging out. Literally yesterday, he dropped off Tim Hortons and flowers for me just because. On to better things, Orlando, what's the heart?
Hey guys, my fan right there. I'm sad. I don't want you to leave. You guys convince her to stay.
The iconic roundabout. I call everything iconic, but to me it's iconic. This whole building was iconic, y'all. Ain't nothing about it that was regular, schmegular, regularly. I literally can't act like this is normal. Because this isn't normal. Being able to tell the Uber, can you turn into the roundabout, please? Because what fucking building in New York City has a roundabout to turn into? Insanity. Anyways, we are going to hop on the train and go to the apartment. And I haven't taken the train in this area yet, so I'm really excited to experience what my everyday is gonna start looking like, and the neighborhood that I live in and stuff. So it's gonna be an adventure today.
It's the fact that I'm sitting on a heated toilet seat right now. That's all I gotta say.
Guys, I just got the keys to the new place and genuinely, like, I don't know what to do. Like, this is the nicest place I've ever lived in my entire life. I just got an hour-long tour of my apartment. An hour long. Like, that is how crazy this place is. And I'm just staring at it right now. And I'm just like, I've never felt such big imposter syndrome living somewhere. Just like, what the? This place is 6 bedrooms and has a private rooftop deck. I want to show you so bad, but I need to wait for the reveal to show you guys what I'm looking at right now, because like this may be like, oh, it's like a nice no, you guys have not seen it yet.
Where's he in? Look at the new apartment. Hello. Hi. I'll show you. Hold on. Hey man, go get a coffee and then we'll debrief in a second. Hello. What was your name? Jose. I'm Mai. Nice to meet you. I think my priority right now is getting moving boxes, but I'm trying to figure out where to get moving boxes. I so desperately want to show you guys what this place looks like right now, but I just need to save it for the tour tomorrow. I'm gonna post like a full in-depth apartment tour tomorrow, so don't worry, you don't have to wait that long, but I won't post it if you don't subscribe from watching this video. Check right now, are you subscribed? Bet you not, because I know that 40% of you watching this video right now aren't subscribed. And how do I know? Because I can click on your comment down below and see if you're subscribed to me or not. So if you subscribe from this video, comment down below and I will like your comment, because I can stalk you. But we got the keys. I got my parking spot. I will show you guys that in the actual vlog. You guys can like low-key see it right now. Oh, guys. Ooh, new hoodie sample. I had someone from LA dropped off this hoodie. I have not seen it yet. It literally just got finished being made yesterday. New hoodie unboxing. You guys can shop these down below. But oh my gosh, you guys were begging for a black hoodie. Is this a black hoodie? Oh my gosh, I am obsessed with this. And for a fact, this is not good for my face. So I used to sleep with my mouth taped shut, but I had like specific tape for that. And then I just completely stopped doing it. And now my jaw is misaligned once again. So I just took this random ass tape that I had and just have been taping my mouth shut. If you guys don't know, I'm a chronic mouth breather. If you catch me at any time of the day, I will look like this. And in return, my jaw did not form properly. But we've worked on it quite a bit. I also have to wear a night guard or else I will break my teeth. We have a lot of issues. Also, my gums are bleeding. I gotta get surgery for that. I'm not doing too well, but you know what? I don't want to say that. Gotta clean your tongue, you nasty ass. Just kidding. Who am I to talk? I am nasty ass. Good morning. I thought I would film the little skincare routine that I do in the mornings because I haven't done it in a while. And you know what? This is going to be one of the last times you guys will see me in this bathroom. So I thought we would film it. It's currently 8:30. I was supposed to wake up at 7. But I just kind of fell back to sleep. And then, well, the reason why I fell back to sleep was because I couldn't find my journal pen. Turns out the pen was in my journal the whole time. Anyway, so I woke up at like 8 and then I started journaling until like 8:30. I know this isn't good for me, but you know what? A lot of things aren't good for me and I continue to do them. My skin's actually been really clear lately, and I think a lot of it has to do with the food that I'm eating. Like, actually, bitch, I've been eating like shit. Like, literally yesterday I had half of an apple pie, half of a box of crackers, a full box of Timbits. Your girl's not doing too hot, but was I happy? Yes. Can I continue doing that? Probably not, or else I'm gonna feel like shit. But you know what? It was a 1-day thing, or a 2-day thing, or a full week thing. But you know what? Live, laugh, love life. You only got one life to live. This is the Tatcha cleanser. I've been using this almost every single day, or I'll use the kale and green tea, spinach, vitamins from Youth to the People. I've been using the same skincare products for the past like month and a half, and it seems to be a vibe. So I need to put you guys on. I'll also try to link everything down below because I'm trying to be an organized girly now. Good morning though. Today we have to go get moving boxes and I film an empty apartment tour today as well, but today's like the official start day of the move. My parents, yes, my parents. I know y'all are like, you have parents? I know. We'll talk about that later. I'm trying to like be better and like, you know, heal the trauma because that's like what everyone says, right? But how the fuck do you heal the trauma? Everyone's always like, just go get a therapist. Okay, bitch, therapy is expensive. I'm very grateful I can afford therapy, but like that can't just be the answer to everything, you know what I mean? We have to take initiative ourselves because if we don't want the change, then nobody can change us. I wish I could do a giveaway where I gave everyone free therapy for the rest of their lives. Because let's be real here, like 99% of the people that actually really need therapy can't afford therapy. Like, who the fuck got $200 to just throw at the fucking wall? It's not throwing it at the wall, it's throwing it at your mental health. But who's got $200 to throw every single month? You know what I mean? I love therapy, but it's just, I don't love the price.
I think that everyone should deserve access to help.
Not this sounding like a BetterHelp ad. It's not. This is my holy grail as well. This is the Skin and Lab Intensive barrier derm cream or whatever. I just love Skin & Lab. Like I just be using their pore barrier cleansing balm as well to take off my makeup every day. Also not in this just said that it was deeply moisturizing and I just trust them. And I've been using it for the past month, if you guys can see. And ugh, y'all need to buy this. I'll link this down below as well. I use this during the day and I use it during the night. Anyways, let's start the day. Ew, y'all ever just pull your hair apart and there's just fucking knotted balls of hair? Balls. Do we wear green alchemy with the bonsai tree, or do we wear black alchemy with the cold December full moon? I'm thinking the black alchemy today. And you're probably wondering, where can I get? Just kidding. Y'all can shop it down below if it's not sold out yet. I tried to make more quantities this time because the last time y'all sold it out before I could even talk about it in a YouTube video. Do you see the quality that we are giving? I just been talking to y'all on the spam account this morning. And everyone right now is popping off. Literally my DMs on the spam account are glitching. We have group chats and everything going on. But do you guys see this? Bruh, I literally spam the fuck out of my stories. But the fact that I can go on the site right now and see everyone that's shopping and see how many people are live is so crazy. So if you guys buy something, DM me. Shout out to Crystal for her purchase. Crystal_Tal. You rock. Okay, Damara says, you're the first person I've ever bought merch from. I'm so excited. I want to do that in every video. Shout out like a purchaser. Okay, anyways, we gotta go outside and let these little stinkies out. And by stinkies, I don't mean me. I mean these creatures.
Let's put this on and then go online. Soon, no more of this. You can just go upstairs. Hi, baby. Good morning to you too.
My two little beans. This one's Sterling, this one's Mochi.
I just went down to the gym, so I need a card to get in, which I don't have the card, so guess we can't go to the gym today. What a tragedy. I just realized after walking out the door that I put my Crocs on. I was not supposed to put my Crocs on. Shout out to Chloe Chi. This girl has literally bought every single drop. She's insane. Caffeine. Okay, I am with Colt right now. If you guys don't know, he literally films for absolutely everyone, but say hi.
Hello, hello.
But we are about to film the empty apartment tour of this place. What do you think of the place?
Dude, I'm speechless. This is so nice. I don't belong here, I feel like.
Alright, so Colt and I just filmed a house tour going up tomorrow or something like that. So you guys will get to see the whole place. I know I'm kind of showing it right now, but y'all need to see the real deal, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna head over to Home Depot right now to pick up some moving boxes. I just scheduled the movers. They're gonna come here on Monday. So I have 3 days to pack, 2 days to pack, which I think is sufficient amount of time. My parents also come that morning, so it'll be really good. Let's go get some moving boxes. I can't believe I'm moving, y'all. Gotta turn all the lights off. I just trekked over to this place that sells like healthy food, but they got the whole Celsius collection, some Bang. I love stores that sell just like a bunch of different shit. Like that is my jam. Ew, my voice, disgusting. Whoa, and they already have stuff like prepackaged. That's cool. And like all of these snacks, all of these kiosks. This shit is so aesthetic. Oh my gosh. Do you guys remember song Give Me Love by Ed Sheeran? That shit is so good and underrated. I look like a fucking bean right now. I've just been on my spam account. Now I look like Skrillex. I've been on my spam account all day, just like replying to you guys. Like my DMs are going so crazy right now that my Instagram is glitching. You guys are about to sell it out, like literally sell out the first collection. Like I can't wait for you guys to physically have these in person because I like put so much work into it, but I'm also excited to fucking move. Like just so much has been going on lately. Like, I can't process it, but I just want to say that I'm very, 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 very thankful. Because I had a dream the other day that I didn't have my YouTube anymore. Like I literally woke up in somebody else's body and I was a 14-year-old girl and I didn't have my YouTube channel anymore. A weird dream, but we'll don't need to get into specifics. But I didn't have my YouTube channel anymore and I was like, fuck, like I need to start this all over again. Like, and I can't believe like that was my main priority, was like starting a YouTube channel. But then I had the feeling of not having you guys anymore and I woke up from the dream, thankfully, and I was like, oh my gosh, like that feeling fucking sucked. Like I never put myself in that position to think that I wouldn't have this life. Feeling that made me be like, oh my God, like I'm literally living my dream life right now. And like, it's all thanks to you guys, and you guys mean so much to me that like, I literally can't imagine my life without you guys. So thank you guys. I love you guys so much. Genuinely, like I want to try to read as many comments as I possibly can, because it's like my favorite part about posting a YouTube video is like reading your guys' comments, because it's like, damn, real people are watching this. I know I talk a lot. Yeah, I just know I talk a lot. Okay. Bruh, I couldn't choose, so I got 2 different things. Peanut Thai tofu thing, which looks really good. I have a grilled cheese with tomato soup, but I don't know if I should eat this first or the grilled cheese. But I think I'm just gonna have a little taste of both. I love tofu. And with the peanuts too, fuck me up. Prepare yourself for what you're about to see. Are you ready? Oh, this is the sexiest thing I've ever seen in my life. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Am I tripping or is this fucking gorgeous? The way this shit is toasted. Yeah, this shit's fire. Oh my God, this is the best fucking grilled cheese I've ever had in my life. I wish I never got this, because now I'm gonna be craving this shit. Home Depot. Found the moving boxes. Here we are again. I feel like I'm here every year, and by feel, I mean I actually am here every year. Maybe I should have grabbed a cart. I just realized that I am weak as fuck. This is not a cart, but I found it, so we're gonna use it. I just ate the fattest fucking meal. Wow, I can't believe I'm actually moving. All right, ready to go. Why can't I fucking steer this bitch? Here we go again with the moving series. Are we shocked? Not really. Oh fuck, not me running into everything.